Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we coloring alphabets. First we are using red color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are using red color and draw and coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, we are again use red color. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we are using red color. The next one is G. G for goat. We again use red color. The alphabet of A. The next one is B. Now we coloring C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog and D for dog. E for egg. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. G for gorilla. Kids, now we are using yellow color. Now we are mixing yellow color H for hand. The next one is I. J. The next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Subscribe to our channel. H for hand. I for eyes. And J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Today we draw and coloring alphabet. Thank you so much for watching.